Hi guys, I just wanted to catch up. Recently gave my Transit a service, so I did engine oil and filter, diesel filter, air filter. I put new pads at front. Now, I didn't do the other pads straight away, the rear ones, but when I got the new pads, it had a new set of leads for the wear sensor. So they came with front pads, but the rear pads didn't have any new leads with them, where they just plug into harness and onto your pad. So what I did was I reset the service light on my Transit, and then the other brake wear warning light was still coming up. And that, at that time, I didn't really want to. I've been in my friend's garage and dumped front pads. I didn't really want to do them outside. But anyway, I've done them now. I've done them outside. And they wound back in nicely and everything. And they're done now, but the brake wear light was still on. So on back, it had actually worn into the sensor. So I decided what I'd do there is I'd cut the wires, bare the wires on each one, join them together, put a connector on and resealed them so they're safe from getting damp in them and whatnot. Because basically with these Transits, you're more likely to wear your front pads down than the back ones. And they've both been done at the same time. So I went from wear pad light comes, brake light wear pad light comes on, it'll be for front, so I'll probably just replace back again at the same time, so I don't basically need him up back. So that's all the servicing done, new pads in all round. I had another wheel and tyre with a brand new tyre, and I've put that on up front while I was at it, so we're all good to go. But what I wanted to show you is when you've serviced the vehicle yourself, if it came up as a warning it would need its servicing for engine oil and whatnot. So when you've done that, you need to take that warning off. So what you do, I'll just show you. So what you're going to do, you can see better there, is you get in your vehicle, ignition off, press your accelerator down, press your brake down, turn the ignition on. And if you hold it for a few seconds, it should come up with service reset. Let's just wait and see if it should come on. Here we go. So service oil reset complete. It's done. So you just wait while that goes off. That's it. Right, it'll go off again anyway. It should go off. That's it. So you see I've took my feet back off at pedals. Turn it off. Turn it on again. The warning light shouldn't be on to say it needs servicing. Let me see that proper sunshine. And so now we've got. Let me get into this now. Let's go back. Right, into information. Click OK. No messages now. So the brake pad wear warning has gone now. So that's okay. So just go back. In fact, what I'll do is I'll just turn that off to clear it. And the next thing I want to show you is how to test all your clocks and stuff and your gauges, make sure them's working. So what you do, I'm going to do it this way. Well, so you press the OK button, one that works for your clocks and everything. Turn your ignition on and just hold it. And just give it time. Didn't always do it straight away first time. Let's turn it off. Try it again. Alright, let's come up with test now. So if you look there, so if you go into your test, there, it checks your gauges. So you know that all your gauges is working. It's showing, basically just showing different shades in there, what your dash lights are at. LED test. I don't know if you can see, it should be showing all different ones lighting up, changing colour, etc. Time test. Now I'll just quickly flick through all these others. They don't really do a great deal, but just telling you information what's on it. Battery's going 11.9. I thought it'd be better than that. So the way you can see it right good for that sunshine. Anyway. You can just keep flicking through there, this information about different things. I'm back to gauge sweep. So that's it, I've gone through that as well. So with no messages to say there's any warnings. The message say it needs servicing's gone off, that's all sorted. So all we need to do now is keep a record of what mileage was when we serviced it, and when we did put pads in, and just give you a general idea with how long you'd expect your pads to last for, etc. And when you did them. So yeah, jobs are good, all done. Engine oil, filters, diesel filter, air filter, brake pads front and rear. Jobs are good. Alright, thank you for that. Catch you soon. Oh, by the way, this is a Ford Transit, a 2016 Ford Transit tippet. I don't think I mentioned it. So, catch you soon. Bye.